What's poppin' KJ gang? This your boy Kalep.
And your girl Jazzy.
And we back with another banger, man. If you're new to the channel, go in there and hit that subscribe button and join the gang. So today we're gonna be doing a spicy ramen noodle again.
Spicy
ramen noodle again. Y'all
we're gonna try this again.
We'll try it again. I don't know what we gonna
Sorry, our dog always be getting into stuff.
Always getting into stuff. Y'all know how with the first time I couldn't hang. I
think I ate all mine.
But how we gonna do this challenge? Let's make them while we explaining it to them. Y'all know how the red sauce go.
Yo,
So how this gonna go is we not gonna say nothing. Once we make it, we can't say nothing.
We just gonna eat it.
Y'all just gonna hear the sound effects basically.
Like a mukbang or like an ASMR or whatever.
Hopefully we used to it now. I don't think.
We not gonna be used to this.
It's like the second time. I don't know what these is. I think these make it a lot hotter. I think they think they slick.
Right.
Acting like it's just regular pepper or something.
I wish I had these other noodles they got at the Asian store where like they're not hot, so they can kind of like cool down the hotness. But
you gonna be okay? Is you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Alright, I'm just making sure.
If I have to stop, I'll stop. But I should be cool. I've seen somebody else pregnant, and they had like 3 times. No, I think it was like 4 times spicy. She was pregnant eating this, so.
Yeah, it's low-key smell good too.
It smells good, but it's hot. Alright, y'all. See? My dog always getting into stuff. Okay.
Let's get right into this video.
Oh, I'm scared. We can't talk. We can't like try
to have the water because you can't.
I'm not gonna drink the water.
What we win?
I don't know, some money or something?
Money, I guess whoever win get like some dollars.
Yeah.
We gotta finish it.
I don't know how much, but.
Or finish it first?
We gotta finish it.
Alright.
Alright. We can't talk, so.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh.
Fuck that. I can't do it no more. Oh, yeah.
It's like every time you put in your mouth is a fireball.
Oh, shit. Woo, that motherfucker nasty.
It's like it's not nasty, it's just hot.
Oh, I know. You know what y'all to do this?
I don't think I could do it like last time. I don't know, you know, since I'm pregnant now, I'm just... It's like every time I put it in my mouth, it's just a big fireball. Like, I mean...
Yes, my lips on fire right now. Ooh.
And he making me laugh.
I'm done. I beat you.
And I don't want to touch my lips.
I beat you. In this video.
Yeah, I can't.
If y'all new to the channel, if y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to join the gang. Woo! We love y'all. We gonna see y'all next time. We gone.